Welcome to HSE Pulse, yeah, one-stop solution for all HSE related topics. I am Srinath Ganesh, experienced HSE professional from various industries such as construction and oil and gas industries, etc. As part of NEBOSH GIC course series, International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety, we are currently seeing Unit GIC1, which is Management of Health and Safety. Under that, we are going to enter element 3, managing risk and understanding people and processes. Under element 3, there are totally 8 topics available. We are going to currently see about 3.1, health and safety culture in this video. If you wish to refer the old videos related to element 1 and 2, kindly refer to the past uploaded videos in the YouTube channel of HSE Pulse. You can able to access it. And also, we are going to cover the full NEBOSH GIC course in the upcoming videos, kindly subscribe to HSE Pulse so that only further uploaded videos will come as a notification to your YouTube. Let's go into the video and discuss in detail about health and safety culture. Under 3.1 health and safety culture, there are 3 sections available. Health and safety culture, relationship between health and safety culture and performance, indicators of health and safety culture, then finally, the influence of peers. Health and safety culture. Simply, health and safety culture is how each people behaving with respect to health and safety. For example, whether they are following proper safe procedures during any equipment operation or while handling materials, etc. And whether they are wearing proper PPEs such as safety shoes, gloves, goggles, safety helmets, etc. Let's see as per the context. It is the shared attitudes, values, beliefs, and behaviors relating to health and safety. It is of two types, positive health and safety culture and negative health and safety culture. The health and safety culture of an organization is the way that everyone within the organization thinks and feels about health and safety and how this is reflected in their behavior. Relationship between health and safety culture and performance. There is a strong link between an organization's health and safety culture and its health and safety performance. How they are behaving, either in a positive manner if they are behaving, it will lead to good health and safety performance. If they are behaving in a negative manner, it will lead to poor performance in health and safety. So that's what is given in the second point. Organizations with a strong positive culture tend to perform well, whereas those with a negative health and safety culture will perform badly. Here we are going to see about positive health and safety culture and negative health and safety culture, the differences. Let's see first positive health and safety culture. Here people will feel that health and safety is important to everyone. And there is a strong policy and clear leadership from the top management level. And also there is a commitment to health and safety from the top management level. Here I would like to add another more point. Whatever the other departments such as maintenance, production, purchase, whatever finance, whatever the departments, it either works from top level to bottom level or bottom level to top level. But when coming to health and safety wise, it is only effective from the top level to bottom level. So without commitment from top management, health and safety is not at all effectively implemented in the workplace. Managers think about the health and safety implications in their decision making. The majority of people work safely because they want to, not simply because they have to. Even without close supervision, they will follow the procedures safely. Here, the performance of health and safety is good. So due to good performance, there will be only less accidents will be happening. Due to that, less injuries, less ill health events only will be occurred to the people working under the positive health and safety culture. Now let's come into negative health and safety culture. Here, people will feel that health and safety is not important to everyone. And there is a lack of direction and leadership from the top management level, which is there is no commitment from the top management level to health and safety. Managers do not think about health and safety in their decision making. Rather, they will be focusing on only cost and sooner progress. Workers behave unsafely because they do not know any safe procedures. In addition, as the performance regarding to health and safety is bad here, Due to that, there will be higher accidents occurring, and due to higher number of accidents, there will be higher number of injuries and ill health events occurring to the people working under the negative health and safety culture. Indicators of health and safety culture. Through these following parameters, we can able to detect whether the company is of positive side or negative side in terms of health and safety culture. Accidents, sickness rates, absenteeism, staff turnover, compliance with the safety rules, complaints about working condition. So let's discuss one by one in the upcoming slide. Whenever accidents happen, there will be two records available. One is accident reporting record and another one is accident investigation record. So accident records show how often accidents happen. Through accident log, we can able to find how often accidents happen. Compare accident trends over time to see if safety is improving in the workplace. Benchmark against similar organizations or industry standards. Benchmarking means comparing the health and safety performance with the other companies of same industry type. For example, you can compare the health and safety performance of the oil and gas company with the other oil and gas company, but you can't able to compare the health and safety performance of oil and gas company with the construction company. So with the same industry type, you can able to compare with, or else you can compare your company branch health and safety performance with other branches of the same company. So that is called as benchmarking. Through benchmarking, we come to know where we are standing with respect to the industry standards. If there are thorough investigations, good reports, effective follow-up is in place, then it shows clearly positive health and safety culture. If the investigation is poor, poor reports, blame focused follow-up, then it shows negative health and safety culture in terms of accidents. Sickness rates. Work can cause or worsen ill health. High sickness rates may indicate poor health and safety culture and vice versa. Absenteeism. High absenteeism may show workers are unable to or unwilling to work. So people often not coming to work due to no interest in working for the company. Often linked to poor morale and poor health and safety culture. Staff turnover. If the workers feel safe and morale is high, if there is good training means, then there exists a positive health and safety culture and staff also will stay longer time. If there is a high turnover, that indicates dissatisfaction and poor safety culture in the company. It shows dissatisfaction among the employees and poor safety culture existing in the company, so which ultimately lead to negative health and safety culture. Compliance with the safety rules and regulations. If the workers follow safety rules and during the inspection, if high compliance is observed, then obviously it is positive health and safety culture. If the safety rules are ignored due to poor training, attitude of workers or poor supervision, then ultimately there will be no complaint with the safety rules. Then it shows poor health and safety culture or negative health and safety culture. Complaints about working condition. If the complaints regarding working conditions is very high in number, then there exists a negative health and safety culture. Suppose if the complaints regarding the working condition is very low, then there exists a positive health and safety culture. Influence of peers. Usually in the company, every employee is formally categorized based on sections or units or departments or whatever it is, depends on the company. Informally, the employees will form a group which may be based on any reason. The colleagues might have studied together during the colleges, or the colleagues might be staying in same locality. Even from people from different departments, they will form an informal group and they will meet together any break time and they will discuss something. If there is a group means definitely there will be influential member, which is dominating person will be available. So if the dominating person is telling good things, then it will lead to safe behavior. If the dominating person is telling the unsafe practices, then will lead to unsafe behavior in the workplace. Then the group will follow the same thing and totally company wise it will lead to poor health and safety culture. Groups naturally form hierarchies based on influence. Influential members often set group norms, such as acceptable behaviors for that group. Peer group pressure means pressure to follow group norms by the people, those who wish to get into the group. Impact on safety due to this. Positive group will reinforces safe behavior. Negative group will lead to adopt unsafe practices by the new workers to fit into the group. How we can able to manage the negative peer pressure? We should try to focus on influential members, which is dominating person first, by using the various methods such as providing training, educating, and involving them in the safety project and involving them in the decision making process and giving them more responsibility related to health and safety. After these methods, if it is again found ineffective means disciplinary action should be taken against the influential members. How the influence of peers, we can use it to detect the type of health and safety culture existing in the company. If the peer group pressure supports safe behavior, then it is obviously positive health and safety culture. If the peer group pressure promotes unsafe behavior, then it is obviously negative health and safety culture. That's it about this element 3.1 health and safety culture. Hope you have got a good idea regarding the topic discussed in today's video. As we are going to cover the full NEBOSH GIC course in the upcoming videos, kindly subscribe to HSE Pulse so that only further uploaded videos will come as a notification to your YouTube. For referring to old videos posted regarding the element 1 and 2, kindly please access the NEBOSH GIC course which is available in the channel. Thanks for watching.